This is FIMI X8 Mini, and today I'll show how you can change the flight, or should I rather say manage the flight distance limit on this drone. So in the beginning, open the camera view of your drone, then go into its settings, select the first icon here, and here is the limit of flight distance, which you can switch on if you would like to have a certain flight distance limit set. And if you would like to adjust it, tap over here and set it to be anywhere between 10 meters and 5 kilometers or 5,000 meters. Or if you would like to have no restrictions in terms of flight distance, simply switch this toggle off, just like that. And now it has no limit, as you can clearly see. And as far as this little video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.